Now let's see how different industries use data science for their benefits. We will start with marketing. For a moment, think yourself to be the marketing director of a product company. In your role, you may be interested to know which products are selling high in the market. Which customers recently stopped buying from you? Is your pricing competitive, or does it need any correction? What will be the best promotion plan to launch a new product in the market? Which marketing channel, whether online or through franchisee, is the most effective to sell the top premium products in the market? Next, how will you allocate the advertisement budget in the best possible manner for maximum revenue? Which store is not performing well, and what is the challenge therein? And so on. Given the business contexts, relevant data, and the right data science tools, these questions can be answered easily. These are known as exploratory data analysis, and are very initial steps towards data science. However, data science is much beyond that. With more complex data science techniques, you will be able to create more value in your business. For example, think about your current customers. They all are different, due to their buying patterns and individual choices. So, a single type of product and marketing plan may not be good for all. And it makes sense to divide the existing customers into different groups. After that, you can design different sales strategy for each group of customers. In data science, this is known as customer segmentation. Another example. With sophisticated data science algorithms, you can also predict which customer is unhappy with you, and may leave you, to start buying from somewhere else, very soon. Now, if you have this information beforehand, you will be able to take corrective actions to prevent the customer from going away. This is known as predictive modeling. Once a customer buys a product, data science techniques can automatically recommend other related or complementary products based on their previous purchase records. This is known as recommendation engine. And it surely generates incremental revenue. I am sure you must be familiar with Amazon's recommendations while buying something in the Amazon shopping app. Next, by analyzing customer feedback on your products or services in social media or any other online portals, you will get an idea about what is happening in customers' minds. You can take corrective actions accordingly. This is known as sentiment analysis. The examples can further go on and on. We will now talk about the applications of data science in banking and finance. In retail banking, there are a lot of loan applications submitted by different customers. Loan granted to a wrong person who cannot repay is a loss from the bank's end. Predictive algorithms can help to decide if a loan to be approved or rejected based on past loan repayment records of similar other customers. Predictive models can further help in detecting a fraud transaction. It can be used to predict stock or commodity prices. There are other algorithms used in banking for predicting customer lifetime value. We can do customer segmentation and design different sales strategy for each class. More complicated data science models help to maximize portfolio value under market volatility, and to perform risk analysis. Such models can be used in investment banking. Healthcare and pharma, perhaps, have seen the latest advancement in data science. Let me give you some examples from healthcare and pharma. Automated analysis of medical images. Drug design. Patient monitoring. Medical diagnosis. Early detection of critical diseases. All is possible due to advanced data science fields, like machine learning, deep learning, and image processing. Think about a new drug designed to tackle COVID-19. Predictive models are used to decide if a particular composition will work or not. This approach reduces the number of experiments, and thereby can drastically cut down the drug development time. Similarly, data science is applied extensively in retail, logistics, e-commerce, education, security, manufacturing, engineering, and other industries. Further, you might have heard of self-driving cars and robotics. These are all applications of data science. So what is data science finally? Data science is a multidisciplinary field of studies including statistics, mathematics, programming, data mining, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Data science analyzes and synthesizes data to find interesting patterns and actionable insights. It starts with defining the problem. Then comes business or context understanding. Then gather data. Organize data. Analyze data. Build models with data. And finally, generate actionable insights. According to Wikipedia, in 2001, William Cleveland proposed an expansion of statistical theory with modern computer technology. And subsequently, data science as a separate discipline started gaining acknowledgement. There was a huge acceptance for the same. In 2003, Columbia University launched the Journal of Data Science. In 2014, the American Statistical Association changed the term statistical learning and data mining to statistical learning and data science. And the trend continued, reflecting the popularity of data science. Though, there is still no consensus on the definition of data science, but the term continued to be a popular buzzword.